guys, welcome to the session. In this session, I am going to show how we can convert the payment links into QR codes from the Stripe portal. First, let's log in the Stripe portal. This is the Stripe portal login page. Here we need to enter our credential. I have entered my test account credential. Now let's click on the sign in. So we have logged in the Stripe portal successfully. Now from the left navigation, you need to click on this option payment links. Here we can see all the payment links. You need to click on the link for which you want to generate the QR code. Let's generate the QR code for this payment link, flood relief collection. So let's click on this. Now payment link has opened. There is an icon next to the buy button. So you need to click on this icon. This will display the QR code against this particular payment link. You can download this QR code and you can print it. So this is how we can generate the QR code from the portal. To check if this QR code is working fine or not, you can use the QR code scanner app or you can use the phone's camera. If you see the payment page after scanning this QR code, it means the QR code is working fine. So that's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.